How you doing there, YouTube? It's Kevin back here again. I got some old farm equipment on my property that, I like to share with some people. You don't see this stuff every day. So I'll just turn it around so you guys can take a peek at it. This is pretty cool. It was here when I moved in, but it seems to be all intact. All there. It's pretty nice little old farm piece. The wheel right there is broken, but I should take you around back and show you the other ones. It's a little walk, not too bad. Got the 52 Ford put away for the night. Now here's the other one. Get up close so you guys can see it. It's got some grass hanging around it, but they're pretty cool to look at. This is all there, it's all, wood's all rotted, but it's all there though. It's unbelievable. Just old farm equipment that you wouldn't think would be around anymore, and it's pretty cool. And this one here. Just the grass is just growing right up around it. See if I can lift it up here. There we go. There's the other piece there. You can see it. It's hidden in the grass. Hefty little bugger. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll try to get some more videos out to you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.